Alright, what we're selling today is a 97 Toyota 4Runner, 4-wheel drive, limited. Pretty nice little vehicle. It's got 239,000 miles on it. 4-wheel drive. Got a worn winch. They're running right now, 3400. 4 cam. Good battery. Smooth running little vehicle. It's got 285, 75, 16 Toyo AT open country tires, about 30% tread, XD wheels. It's got rock sliders on it. Clean as a pin inside. It's got camouflage seat covers. It's got leather seats underneath those in great condition. Took pictures of that. No lights on the dash. Nice head unit with a backup camera. 4-wheel drive, rear locking differential. Power everything. Everything works. Sunroof. Doesn't leak. Has WeatherTech floor mats throughout the whole thing. It's a 2-inch receiver hitch. 97 4Runner, going to be sold absolute. Tractor House auction time.